squatting actually. Now we will move to the next, that is a counterfeiting, a major problem actually. So what happens here in the counterfeiting, it involves the producing or selling of a goods bearing the exact copy of a registered trademark without authorization. So probably you have seen in COVID that N95 mask, exact copy of that mask is created unauthorized, and then when it was like examined, it is realized that it is not following that particular standards and it is not original. So this is like a counterfeit product, that the product is so similar, it is created in such a way, especially we are like facing Parle-G product. You see, if you go somewhere in the interiors of the country, you will receive that Parle-G, and this many times you might have observed that thing. If you go in the interiors of the country, you will get Parle-G, packaging as if it is a original like Parle-G, that biscuits. You open it, test it, and then after that you realize that, oh, it is not a original